Hello students, let us see this question here. See, right, in this question this paragraph is given and it is saying given that total energy is stored in LC circuit. So this is the LC circuit, the lower part is the LC circuit. Right, total charge is stored in LC circuit is Q naught for t greater than t greater than equal to 0. The charge on capacitor is. So it is saying the Q naught is given in the equation, that is Q max. So it is talking about the lower part of the circuit in this question, and here it is saying in this capacitor Q max is equal to Q naught. It is given, right, total charge. So charge on capacitor for t greater than equal to 0 is. So if I talk about option A, so at t is equal to, right, after t, right, I mean in this region when the t will become greater than 0, this charge will start decreasing. But at t is equal to 0, right, charge on capacitor will be equal to total charge. So that is equal to Q naught. So if I talk about option A here, you will put the value of 0 here. So this will become cos pi by 2. So this will become 0. So at t is equal to 0, the charge is coming 0. So option A is wrong according to this. If I talk about option B also, then we will put the t is equal to 0 here. So once again this will become cos pi by 2. So that is 0. So once again charge will become 0. So this is also wrong here. Now the option C and D is there. So you can prove for option C and D. So let us try to write the Kirchhoff's law for this. Okay. So if I write the Kirchhoff's law here, so if I take this plate, so right, suppose this plate, the right part of the capacitor plate, suppose the charge is Q at any instant. If I write the Kirchhoff's law, so that will become Q upon C, that potential difference across these, and here the current will go I. All right, in this direction, I am taking the current as I. So Q upon C will be the potential difference across this capacitor, and the potential difference across this will be minus L di by dt, where L is the inductance here. Okay, so if I write this equation, and this will become 0. Okay, so from here I can write Q by C minus L. The value of I, it will become, so d, right, value of I will become minus dq by dt. I is become minus dq by dt. Okay. So from here I can say this will become Q by C minus L, and this minus will become plus here. So this will become plus and this will become L. Right, here the charge is getting differentiated 2 times. So this will become L d 2Q upon dt square. So here it has taken capital Q, instantaneous current is taken capital Q here. So you can take capital Q only. So let us take this one, capital Q. It is capital Q here. All right. So okay, so this is there. So here also once again capital Q, because in the question it is given not a small q, capital Q here. So I will take only capital Q. Okay. So and this is equal to 0. So see, so which option is coming here? You can take here capital Q is equal to minus L d upon dt square, and this upon C. So and this will become capital Q is equal to minus LC d2q upon dt square. So see which option is coming here. C, option C is coming here. C, minus LC dq upon dt square. So option C is matching. Okay. So okay students, I hope you understood this question.